Hello friends, we are discussing Vue.js. So in this video, we are going to discuss about style binding. We discussed about one-way binding, two-way binding, event binding, attribute binding, class binding in our last video. In this video, we are going to discuss about a style binding. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Simply, style binding is nothing. Means if you want to declare something, binding means there will have some things into the model and we need to pass that things into the view. Okay, view means is the template inside the template sections. Okay, so let's define something. Suppose I just defining text color red or anything. Suppose I just going to write blue. Okay, and then I just want to write the font size suppose 20 px. Okay, now here I just want to use the style into here, so simply just write inside the div we can write v bind style. Okay, so to use these things here we need to simply write to bind style, we simply write we need to use the v bind colon. Okay, so we can get the message is in blue, also the font size is 20 px. So let's change 20 to 30 or 20 to 30. You can see it's become more large. Okay, so the dynamic style binding happening. Same things we can do with the shortcut key, means shorthand. We don't need to write a v bind. So here you can see the same things can happen. Instead of blue, just write green. We can see the green. Okay, no problem. So this is the style binding. Okay, now let's go in deep. So let's discuss with some advanced things. Okay, now if you want to use some conditional style binding, how can I do this? Simply inside the style, just write two things. Means I just going to write another variables is warning. Means if anything warning happen, then what happened? Okay, so I just added a data and data into the model, and I want to binding, and based on that we can add some conditions. Okay, now just write if is warning is true, and just use the ternary operator. If is something is warning is true, then it will appear as red, otherwise it will appear as green. So by default just is warning is true, so it's looking as a red. Okay, and if you change true to false, then it will appear as a green. Okay, just like condition. So in this way we can add condition. Now binding style with the object means here color, we have a color, we have font size, we have something defined, but I want to add a total set of style. Means here I just writing anything, means we just declaring custom style, and here I just defining many things. Means suppose color is green, then I just writing the font size is 50 px, no problem, and write font weight, it's bold. Okay, so the custom style have these three property. So simply if you just include this custom style here, we'll get all the things in a single ones. Means you can see these are appearing as a bold, 50 px and green. Just like if you add any class in the css, then you can add that things here. So simply you can define into the and return into the data sections, and we can add this object, and complete the style object can be added here. Okay, so this is actually the style binding. So hope you can understand what is style binding and how to do that things. So if you have any queries about this video, please comment me in below comment sections. The next video we are going to discuss about Vue.js methods, means what are the methods and how to handle with the methods. Okay, we will discuss in depth. So keep in touch and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.